So hopefully you have read your picture book. Remember, this was mine. But you've read your picture book by yourself or with your mom or somebody who's in the house, even if you read it to your animal, a pet, if a soft toy, it doesn't matter. Just have a look at it. If you can't read all the words, look at the pictures. That's okay. But what you're going to do now is you're going to do a piece of writing and drawing. And you're going to write and draw about the character at, what's a character? Oh, sorry, I heard somebody. A character is the person or the animal in the story, the most important person or animal in the story. And in this story, it's the moose. He is the most important. So when I show you my work on the next slide, this is who you'll see. But you're going to draw a picture of your character at the beginning of the story, the middle of the story, and the end of the story. You're going to do it either on a piece of paper, and you can just draw a box and then write beginning, middle, end. I wrote BME. Sorry, I'm not very good at pointing, am I, just now? For beginning, middle, end. Or you can take a piece of paper and you can fold it into 3 pieces. And you do that by folding one side first, just past the middle, then fold the other one over, squeeze the edges, open it up, and you should have 3 pieces. They are in thirds. You've got 1, 2, 3. Then you would write beginning, middle, and end. It's up to you. You can do it on a piece of paper. You can do it on your lined paper. It doesn't matter as long as you do it. Give it a try. You're going to draw a picture of your character. Who is the most important person in your story? At the beginning, the middle, and the end. If you want to look at mine before you start, you'll need to go on to the next slide. If you want to use and do your own one first, then you can stop now, pause, and do your own one. Or keep watching, look at mine, and then you can do it. It's up to you. Shh, don't tell anybody.